In today's video, we are going to cover a luxurious project of Greater Noida. Greater Noida Delhi NCR का सबसे planned region है और यहाँ lowest density है because of the huge green open spaces and because they are focused on creating high standard living over here. The project we are covering today is by Northwind Estates and the code name is Sanctuary. And there is a reason for that. Let me tell you. This is a 4-side open plot. The size of this plot is around 5 acres, to be precise 4.48 acres. In front, we have a green belt of 75 meters, and after that, we have the service road that is of 24 meters. On all the 4 sides, we get that service road. The Noida Greater Noida Link Road, that is a 130-meter wide road, is literally 0 kilometers away from the project. In this project, 85% area is dedicated for open spaces. We have 500 plus trees to be planted in this project, and it is IGBC Platinum certified project. And that, my friend, is the reason why the name of this project is Sanctuary. You don't just have greenery inside the project, but all around it. Let's talk about the location and locality now. Located in Sector Pi, this project enjoys excellent connectivity from Yamuna Expressway and Eastern Peripheral Expressway. We have Pari Chowk in 5 minutes, metro station is in 2 minutes. In the vicinity, we have hospitals like Yatharth Hospital, Kailash Hospital and Fortis Hospital. Knowledge Park is also easily accessible from here. अब अगर हम project के बारे में बात करें, then this project is going to have one of the lowest density in Greater Noida. FAR of this project is 1.5 and the total number of apartments in approximately 5 acres of land will be just 180. इस project में हमारे पास 3 tower है. Tower A will be known as Iconic Tower. It has the largest apartments that is of 4+1 BHK. Built in over 3,700 square feet. The height of this tower will be ground plus 17 floors, and on each floor we will only get 2 apartments along with 4 lifts. Tower B and C will have ground plus 19 floors. One is dedicated for 3 BHK and the other one is for 4 BHK. In both of these towers, we will get 4 apartments on each floor along with 4 lifts. The size of a 3 BHK apartment over here will be 1900 square feet, and for a 4 BHK it will be 2900 square feet. Now let's discuss the USPs of this project. One of the biggest USP of the project is the parking space. We have 500 plus parking areas for just 180 apartments over here. The clubhouse over here will be built in over 30,000 square feet with around a 10,000 square feet area dedicated for gymnasium. Other than this, we also have Olympic-sized swimming pool. We have skywalk of 350 meters and amenities like mini golf, sculpture court, tree court, skating ring, kids play area, badminton court, pickle court, cricket pitch, multi-purpose court, jogging track, banquet hall, open gym, wooden deck and much more. Now coming to the apartment, you will get a furnished flat with Italian marble flooring, VRVs and completely modular kitchen. Units over here are northeast facing and the floor to ceiling height is 12 feet. The project also has a commercial to fulfill the daily needs of the residents living over here. Along with that, there will be no vehicle zone. That means it's safe for everybody. Well, that was all about the project Sanctuary by Northwind. We have already received the RERA and the possession of this project will be in the end of 2028. If you are interested, you can come over here and do the site visit. Just contact us on the given number below for more details or to visit the site. I'll see you next time. Until then, bye-bye.